Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are fine. This video will help you to solve your summer task. So let's start with the question number 1. The question number 1 is comparing the following numbers by using less than, greater than or equals to sign. So you have to compare two numbers and you have to put the less than, greater than and equal to sign. If the first number is less than the second numbers, then you will put the less than sign. Okay, if the first number is greater than the second number, then you will put the greater than sign. If the both numbers are equal, then you will put the equal sign. The next question is add the following numbers. Now you have to count these numbers and you have to add and then write the answer in the given places. The question number 3 is subtract the following digits. Now you have to subtract the digits and then you have to write the answer here. The next question is divide the following numbers. You have to do the rough work for this question here and you have to find the answer as well. It will be in the question form and reminder form. Maybe there will be a reminder and there will be not. The next question is multiply the numbers by center number. Okay, now you have to multiply the number. 3 2s are 6, 3 8s are 24, 3 10s are 30, 3 11s are 33, and you will follow the same pattern for all these questions. The next question is write the number's name. Now you have to write the number's name. First of all, you will put the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. Now you will write the number names 72,418, 96,825, and you will follow the same pattern for the following questions. The next question is skip counting. Now you have to skip the numbers and you have to follow the pattern. Count by fives. In these questions you have to skip 5, like 340, 345, 350, then skip 5, 355, then skip 5, 360, then 365 and then 370. So the question number 8 is write the numbers in expanded form. Now you have to write the number in expanded form. First of all, you will put ones, tens, hundreds and thousands place. So 1 is at thousands place and in thousands we have 3 zeros, so we will put 3 zeros with 1. 6 is at 100 place and in hundreds we have 2 zeros, so we will put 2 zeros with 6. Okay, and it will be 600s. 7 is at tens place and in tens we have 1 zero, so its value is 70, and in ones we have no zero, so we will write 2 as it is. This is the expanded form of this number and you will follow the same pattern for the following questions. In the question number 9, you have to build a 3-digit number from the parts. Okay, this is the expanded form of the number. Now you have to write the standard form, like 836. You will write the standard form of the number, like 779, 298. The next question is write the tables 2 to 9 on a separate sheet. You have to take a separate sheet and you will write the tables from 2 to 9 and you have to learn the table one by one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.